Okay, this one I'm actually going to do a table on because it tells me there are 84 people protesting the destruction of the rainforests. There are 37 males, 23 of whom are students, and then 18 female non-students. So it's like they're talking about males and females and students and non-students, and so I thought a chart, a table, would make more sense for this. And I was like, okay, so I've got males and females, students and non-students, and then, yeah, I need one more row here, sorry. And then this will be a total here and a total there. Okay, so let's see. There are 37 males, so the total of the males would be here. That's 37 males. And 23 of whom are students. So I need 23 right here. So that means if I take 37 minus 23, I'll get there'd be 14 non-students. Does that make sense? Because this is a total right here. Total this way, total that way, and because it says there are 84 people protesting, that should be the total here, 84. Okay, all right. And then there are 18 female non-students. Female but non-student, that would be right here. It's below female but across from non-students, so that's 18. And I've highlighted all the numbers. Their questions is how many female students are protesting. So that means we are looking for how many female students are protesting. Female students, that would be right here. This is the final question I'm trying to figure out. Okay, well, let's see. Since I know there's 37 males and there's a total of 84 protesters, if I take 84 minus 37, that gives me 47 females altogether. And then if you subtract the 18 females that are non-students, I'm gonna get 29. 29 is my answer. 29. There'd be 29 here because 29 and 18 is 47. And that's the easiest way to do that problem. Okay, and what's next? And this one's a long one, so I'm going to do this one as a separate video.